Welcome to our journey of understanding the intriguing world of gut feelings and their profound impact on our emotional and physical well-being. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating connection between our gut and emotions, unraveling the secrets that make our instincts and intuitions such powerful guiding forces in our lives. 1. The gut-brain axis. Let's begin by exploring the scientific foundation of the gut feeling phenomenon. The gut-brain axis, a complex communication network between the gastrointestinal tract and the brain, plays a pivotal role in connecting our emotional and physical experiences. Research has shown that the gut is not just a digestive organ, it houses an extensive network of neurons that constantly communicate with the brain, influencing our mood, emotions, and even decision-making. 2. Emotional intelligence of the gut. Our gut is often referred to as the second brain due to its ability to independently process information and generate emotional responses. This emotional intelligence contributes significantly to our overall well-being. From butterflies in the stomach during moments of excitement to a sinking feeling in times of stress, our gut feelings are powerful indicators of our emotional state. 3. Gut feeling and intuition. Have you ever experienced a strong gut feeling that guided you through a decision? Intuition, often described as a deep, instinctive understanding without the need for conscious reasoning, is closely tied to our gut feelings. As we explore the relationship between intuition and the gut, we'll uncover how trusting these instincts can lead to more informed and emotionally satisfying choices. 4. The impact on physical health. Beyond emotions, our gut feelings also exert a profound influence on our physical health. Research suggests a strong connection between gut health and overall well-being, with imbalances in the gut microbiome linked to conditions ranging from digestive disorders to mental health issues. Understanding and nurturing our gut can lead to improved physical health and enhanced emotional resilience. 5. Nurturing a healthy gut feeling. Now that we grasp the intricate connection between our gut and emotions, let's explore practical steps to nurture a healthy gut feeling. From maintaining a balanced diet to managing stress and prioritizing self-care, there are numerous ways to optimize the gut-brain axis for improved emotional and physical well-being. In conclusion, our gut feelings are not mere whims but integral components of our emotional and physical experiences. By embracing and understanding this connection, we empower ourselves to make more mindful decisions, leading to a harmonious balance between our emotional and physical selves. Trust your gut, for it is a wise companion on the journey of life. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to be a member of this school of mental health.